In this video, we're going to be covering everything you need to know about subliminal tapes. What they are, how they work, and whether you can use this simple tool to manifest whatever you want and to create a completely new reality for yourself. Hey guys, this is Tom. Welcome back to my channel where I make videos that help you empower your higher self and manifest your dream life. As always, if you'd like to win 60 minutes of free manifestation coaching with me, simply comment below "it is done" and I will select one random winner at the end of the week. So firstly, let's define what a subliminal tape is. They are a set of affirmations, beliefs, or descriptive sentences that are recorded together, listened to at a specific time in the day, with the intent of reprogramming the subconscious mind. And the advantage of doing this is, once the subconscious mind is shifted, you change as a person, and reality, being the mirror of your internal conception of self, reflects and harmonizes with this internal shift that you've made. So therein lies their power and popularity. They're easy to set up, easy to use, but they have the potential to transform your life in big ways. But that raises the question, what is the subconscious mind? If you've seen my other videos, I cover this topic from two distinct angles: the scientific angle and then the more esoteric and spiritual angle. The latter example would be sort of a teaching along the lines of Neville Goddard, in which the subconscious mind is viewed as the realm of infinite imagination, and in this model, you simply impress the seed of your desire into this deeper part of your being, and it manifests into the screen of space around you. But that deals more in pictures and imagining. In this case, with subliminal tapes, it's more about words and beliefs and sentences, and I find that the scientific context is a better way of exploring this. And so, in the scientific context, the subconscious mind is more like the software system which automatically programs and runs your body, and therefore over time causes your overall behavior and your overall results in life. So you can look at the subconscious mind as a series of automatic programs running within you. Now, what are these subconscious programs? Well, really they're just thoughts. Thoughts that have crystallized into beliefs, with beliefs being thoughts that you like thinking. And they harden into these beliefs basically through emotional impacts that happen to us when we're very young. From the age of 0 to 7, when all we are operating with is just a wide open subconscious mind. And we interact with the world, and some external stimulus comes in and causes a significant chemical reaction, and the brain automatically memorizes the behavior or the external influence that triggered that strong chemical reaction within us. And after that, we develop a program that constrains our behavior in a certain way so that we don't have to feel this chemical reaction again. Or if it's a good thing, so that we can feel this chemical reaction again. An example is when a child touches something that's hot, memorizes what that hot object is, retains that memory that that's hot, and never will touch it again. And then years upon years later, we can look back within us and realize that the reason why we don't touch hot objects is actually a series of thoughts, such as, if I touch this hot object, it will burn me and I will die. Those thoughts are actually there, even though they weren't consciously there when that program was formed, as we were very young. Now this brings me into the Dr. Joe Dispenza idea of stepping down the ladder to naturally interact with our subconscious mind. This is to do with the 4 brainwave states that the human mind is most active in. Beta being the thinking mind, or the conscious mind. Alpha being the bridge between the conscious and subconscious mind. And theta and delta. And this is the subconscious mind. And when we arise from a sleep, the chemical serotonin spikes within our bloodstream, and this wakes us up to the beta mind. but there's a transition from the subconscious to the conscious mind in the morning. And likewise, this conscious mind moves into the subconscious mind through a spike in melatonin, and that's as we fall into deep sleep, being the delta brainwave. So again, the brainwave frequency that we're in equals our ability to access and imprint, influence, change, etc., the programs within the subconscious mind. So this is where subliminal tapes come in, because we listen to these tapes when our brain waves are in a certain coherent state, a neocortex is shifted off more and moved into the midbrain and the cerebellum, and we are more creatively and emotionally open and connected to the subconscious mind as a result of these physiological shifts. So this would be early in the morning or right before bed. And when we listen to these new set of ideas, these thoughts, affirmations, and descriptive sentences, we merge with those thoughts and they cause a new emotional reaction within our body. And our body enters into a new state of being. And as we start to memorize this new state of being, we start to broadcast a different electromagnetic signature. This broadcasts out to the universe, or the quantum field, or in the esoteric literature it would be the infinite intelligence, or the infinite realm of human imagination. Okay, so that's what a subliminal tape is and how it works to transform your life. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. Please comment below "it is done" if you're interested in the free coaching with me. And check out my website. I'd love to work with you for a session and to craft your ideal and most powerful subliminal tape that you can use for yourself. We can hold you accountable with that as well. That's also the power of having a coach. And I hope you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for all future videos on the subconscious mind and manifesting your dream life.